In this aid, we will voice our in every way that really matters, own and showcases assessment on Mana future while examining decentraland cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, which essentially is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, quite remember that you want to especially think about this and any extremely other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything actually explicitly is an unpleasant errand. In every practical sense, explicitly, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like decentraland, and in all things considered, especially large way in a significant way, presently gives head access to it, which truly is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Before we dig pretty commonly profound into the decentraland value expectation and answer questions in the event that Mana really is a sort of wise speculation or not. For what reason will Mana sort of explicitly succeed or certainly fall flat, or for what reason will decentraland value rise or drop? Let's rapidly sort of toss a look at what generally, for the most part, is Mana and its to-date history in a decently certainly significant manner, in an unobtrusive manner. What actually generally is decentraland, which really is genuinely critical. Established by R.E. Malik and Esteban Ordano, decentraland explicitly was at first sent off in 2015 as a straightforward, pixelated lattice that distributed pixels to clients through a proof-of-work calculation in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. By 2017, the Ethereum blockchain-based programming project actually basically has developed into an undeniable 3D virtual venture, permitting clients to buy, construct, and truly sort of sell computer-generated reality applications in a common virtual environment in a kind of significant manner. With the new turn of events, clients can for the most part create virtual sort of certainly land, adapt, and close out it available to be purchased, which is genuinely huge. They can likewise in a real sense take part in actually by and large different exercises like messing around inside the extent of the virtual world, which truly is very critical. Decentraland is the first of its sort, as well as one of the genuinely sort of not many multi-reason and multi-flexible metaverses based on the Ethereum blockchain, which in every practical sense, in a real sense, is very critical. The stage coordinates virtual applications as well as NFTs in a very significant manner. Mana drives decentraland's virtual economy, which is genuinely huge. Decentraland's money basically for the most part is Mana, a kind of local ERC20 especially token with a truly restricted supply, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Each time a few buys a NFT, the stage consumes a level of its Mana supply, which for the most part sort of is very huge. Non-fungible implies something really novel and in all things considered, significant way. For instance, a fine art in a real sense truly is non-fungible, while cash, fundamentally like Ether or Mana, essentially explicitly is fungible, or so they truly thought. Mana value expectation for the very next 90 days in a fundamentally sort of large manner. The genuinely entire crypto world basically for the most part is on an edge of an undeniable, actually in a real sense, bear market in a truly all things considered, huge way, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin truly has in a real sense drooped half from its untouched especially sort of high in the midst of the more extensive market sort of drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in a sort of quite large manner. Financial backers sort of for the most part are selling hazardous resources and moving into decently kind of additional truly steady business sectors, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Crypto fundamentally is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous really play, and subsequently the offer off, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which really is very huge. This especially is fundamentally certainly reflected in our 2022 expectations, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which basically is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to explicitly find a very nearby base before we can move the other way and entirely alter the course, which basically especially is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to generally especially do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many basically sort of times in the separated and by and large sort of later history, which is very huge amazingly. Our cost expectation model sort of is negative for the pretty genuinely next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a super significant manner, which really is genuinely huge. We especially in every practical sense expect whales and especially other sort of greater players in the market to essentially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike, which in a real sense shows that our algo still sees some by and large green in 2022, particularly in the for the most part all things considered second piece of the year. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking in a significant way. Essentials that we generally truly assess actually for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty sort of potential, and a few fundamentally other kind of exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which sort of in every practical sense shows that group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each undertaking, which is genuinely critical. 2022 1110, especially beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. 0.57% $0 6727 2022 1111 in a quite significant manner. Plus 1.22% $0 6848 2022 1112, which basically is genuinely critical. Plus 4.78% $0 7089 2022 1113, which in a real sense generally is very critical. Plus 7.40% $0 7266 2022 1114 in an unobtrusive manner. 0.40% $0 6739 2022 1115, which is very huge in an unobtrusive way. Plus 1.94% $0 6897 2022 1116, showing that decentraland by and large is the first of its sort, as well as one of the in every practical sense. Certainly few multi-reason and multi-flexible metaverses based on the Ethereum blockchain, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. 1.30% $0 6678 2022 1117, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Plus 7.68% $0 7285 2022 1118, or so they very thought in an unpretentious manner. Plus 2.00% $0 6901 2022 1119 in an extremely significant manner. 2.55% $0 6593 2022 1120, which especially is very critical. Plus 4.62% 70 cents decentraland value expectation 2022, or so they basically thought incredibly. Our forecast model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 2022 NOF plus 3.99% $0 7036 2022 DEC, or so they truly thought, plus 1.43% $0 6862 2023 Jan. Plus 4.23% $0 7052 2023 Feb in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Plus 9.25% 73 cents 2023 blemish in an actually large manner, or so they essentially thought. Plus 6.52%